Are there blocked sites or apps in your country and you want to access them but you really cannot? So there is actually a solution for that, and that is PandaPow, which is a VPN service provider. So today in this video, I will be discussing what PandaPow is and how this will work for you and your business. So if you want to know how this works, please stay tuned and keep on watching. So PandaPow is a VPN service that is easy and very efficient. So it is compatible with Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS, and all the other platforms that you can think of. So there are also key features that PandaPow has. So these are the following. Okay. First, it is easy to use application. It is guaranteed with 7 days money back and hassle-free. And it has unlimited VPN servers, unlimited speed and usage, 120 VPN servers in more than 16 countries, 24/7 client support, 3 devices simultaneously, affiliate programs, no activity logs, and instant activation. There are actually no worries when you use PandaPow. Especially if you have problems or if you have questions, you can easily reach out to them through their 24/7 chat support. So that makes everything very efficient and very easy for you to use. You can get the download link from our blog post. So just head on over to www.globalfromasia.com/reviews/PandaPow, and then you will find the link there. At this point, I will teach you how to run and how to install PandaPow in your laptop or in your PC. Here are the steps. First, download the software or installer of PandaPow. On Windows, click Run as Administrator or click the Continue Anyway button. After the application is installed, launch the PandaPow application. Step 2. PandaPow will ask you to sign in with your username, password, and domain. If you have not obtained yours, sign up and look for the activation on your email. Step 3. When you click Connect on the login prompt, the icon in the taskbar will turn from yellow to green. When the icon is green, you can safely and anonymously browse the web. If ever the setup is not working, you can reach out to their 24/7 chat support, and if there are also questions, you can check them in their FAQ section as well. Also, PandaPow has Wi-Fi, so that is one of the best things that makes this PandaPow a really efficient and a good option for you. So how do you set up the PandaPow Wi-Fi? So these are the steps. Step 1. The PandaPow Wi-Fi device should be connected to the internet. You can do this with a cable, wirelessly, or with a 3G USB. Step 2. Connect other devices through the PandaPow Wi-Fi network. The other devices may be computer, iPad, or any other devices. But take note that these would only support 3 devices simultaneously. Step 3. The PandaPow VPN and the PandaPow Wi-Fi automatically connects on its own. So when you buy or when you purchase the PandaPow Wi-Fi, you will receive 1 foot of flat Ethernet cable to help the customer connect to a modem or LAN, a European charger plug, a USB cable charger, and of course a user's guide. The best thing about this Wi-Fi is that it acts as a power bank as well. So if you're running out of juice for your gadgets, then you can use the PandaPow. There are actually different online payments that PandaPow accepts. So these are some of the online payments. They can actually cater to PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, Discover Network, American Express, WeChat Pay, Alipay, UnionPay, and 10pay.com. So if you have other payment options, you can contact first chat support team, and then you can verify whether or not they would be allowing you to use other options in paying. So if you're asking, why should you go for PandaPow? Well, again, aside from the fact that they give 24/7 chat support and they have this guarantee, if ever you have problems with the product, then they could give you a refund. Aside from those things, this VPN service is good because it is not only a VPN service provider, but it also provides you with an internet connection. That is one thing that makes PandaPow unique from all the other VPN providers out there. So because of this, I will be giving this a 5 out of 5 star review because of these features. So if you think that this would best work for you and this would help you in browsing safely, anonymously, and securely in blocked sites or apps in your country, then you can go get PandaPow today. So again, you can access this from our blog post, which is at www.globalfromasia.com/reviews/PandaPow. I would really appreciate it if you give this a thumbs up and if you would leave a comment down below. And if there are some questions, we would be very willing to answer them. You may also post them in the comment section in our blog post in the website. So all the links shall be placed down in the description box below. So this has been Laika. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next videos. Bye!
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and also check out our Instagram at Global from Asia. Thanks again and see you soon.
E-commerce like over 8 years.